Lynn Shore's natural regeneration area. The town of Whitby is committed to preserving and improving natural areas for the enjoyment of all its citizens. This planting was made possible through the efforts of Whitby District Scouts, TYBA Properties, Brookfield Homes, Ontario Power Generation Corporation, Pickering Nuclear, Uxbridge Nurseries, the Lynn Shores Environmental Monitoring Committee, and the town of Whitby.
Cool. It's looking good. That's a good one right there. It's good to give everything a little prune every now and then. That's good, that's good. Looking pretty good. Some more over behind
Say it again.
Gotta get in the Christmas spirit, Jay. Going right in.
Oh, it's a cop, Trish. It's a cop.
Where?
Trish, it's a cop.
You're lying.
It's a cop.
What?
It's a tree cop.
Tree pruning cop?
It's a tree pruning cop.
Hey, don't step on my stuff, please. It's all right here.